heads for the altar, and the Dodge Grand Caravan moves to the head of the class. Those are among the significant stories making news this week under the Pentastar. Canadians got their first look at the all-new 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8 at the Canadian International Auto Show in Toronto. Chrysler Design Vice President Ralph Gilles says the new Challenger puts out 98% fewer emissions than its 1970 predecessor.
You'd have to drive, in essence, 44 new Challengers to equal the emissions of one of the 1970 Challenger. Just to give you an idea of the eco footprint of the new Challenger, this is how it would compare to the 1970 Challenger. Big improvements in emissions. So in a way, we kind of brought the old and the new, got rid of what was bad about the old, brought in the new, and given you things that will pull on your heartstrings and make you want to own this car.
And speaking of fresh air, over 200 Chrysler employees and community volunteers were hard at work transforming a vacant park into a safe and state-of-the-art place to play for more than 150 children in this Oakland, California neighborhood. Chrysler Chairman and CEO Bob Nardelli led the volunteers in constructing this innovative playground to serve the needs of the community. The playground has everything the students wished for because they designed it themselves with the organizers from KaBOOM. The Global Engine Manufacturing Alliance, or GEMA, located in Dundee, Michigan, which produces fuel-efficient engines for Chrysler products, has been awarded the Shingo Silver Medallion for operational excellence. The Shingo Awards, often called the Nobel Prize of Manufacturing, recognizes business excellence and world-class performance for quality, cost, and delivery. Dodge helped one couple speed up the start of their journey together by throwing them a wedding at the 100th Chicago Auto Show on Valentine's Day as part of the brand's Journey of a Lifetime contest. Contest winners Blake Humphrey and Jackie Rohner of Rock Island, Illinois, were surrounded by more than 1,000 cars when they got hitched in front of 100 of their closest friends and family. And finally, some good news for families on the go. Kelley Blue Book this week named the Dodge Grand Caravan one of its best family-friendly rides for 2008. In their analysis of this year's winners, Kelley reviewers noted that the minivan remains the ultimate troop transport for families focused on functionality. For Under the Pentastar, I'm Betty Carrier Newman.